This is a 1977 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster. Freshly arrived from the USA. Now, I think the battery's had it. I have had it running, but not for very long. I think the carb needs a good clean out. I'll show you in a minute. I've selected the gears and the clutch works. The back brake works on it, but the front brake just needs bleeding or something. Got 34,500 miles on the clock. It's a project bike, but it's all there. Well, enough of it is. That's just a bit of petrol leaking at the bottom. I've been trying to clean the carb out. Right, so give it a bit of a boost. This switch plays up terrible. Need a screwdriver. As soon as I touch the throttle, it cut out. So it needs recommissioning. I mean, there's no knocks and bangs with the engine, so that's a good project. Check out eBay or our website, classicandclassymotorcycles.com.